Hello everyone, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर निकिता सिंह है. Before I start, I'll just like to tell the basic motive of mine to make this video. मैं ये वीडियो क्यों बना रही हूँ? So since we all are facing a pandemic together, and अगर आप देखिए तो मेरे Facebook प्रोफाइल में मैंने कुछ फैक्ट्स शेयर किए हुए कोविड-19 वैक्सीन के बारे में, but lately I have realized कि not many of us are into reading much facts. Not many of us are into reading. We would like to listen and believe, and that's fine. But we need to realize this thing कि ये जो बड़े मीडिया हाउसेस है, रेप्यूटेड नेम्स है, इनका बेसिक एंड मेन प्रायोरिटी आप तक करेक्ट न्यूज़ पहुंचाना नहीं है. इनका मेन प्रायोरिटी ये है कि इनकी न्यूज़ सेल होए. वो सेल होएगी जब इनको टीआरपी मिलेगी, इनको व्यूज़ मिलेगी, इनको लाइक्स मिलेंगे. So you know what we have to do right now is not blindly believe them. We have to filter it out on our level and then believe it and then spread it. So why I am saying this is because recently मैं बहुत सारे news articles देख रही हूँ about COVID-19. The misquoted and false article they are publishing, and this is what majority of our Indian public are believing, which is not right thing to do right now. So what happens? फैक्ट नेगेटिव या पॉजिटिव नहीं हो सकता है. वी हैव टू रियलाइज दिस दैट अ फैक्ट इज अ फैक्ट, एंड दो इंडियन माइंड इज वेरी इंक्विजिटिव, इट इज इक्वली वल्नरेबल, एंड दैट्स व्हाट दे वांट. So these media houses, that's how we fall prey to their news, to the news they want to sell, and not actually the news which is correct. So coming to the point, before I go into COVID-19 in particular, there are few facts I like to tell about vaccine in general. So basically एक बहुत important बात है जो हम सबको समझनी होगी. वैक्सीन प्रिवेंट करता है कोई डिजीज. वैक्सीन will prevent a disease. A vaccine will not cure a disease. If a person is already suffering from COVID-19, a vaccine cannot treat it. So that is the main difference between a drug development and vaccine trial. A drug or a medicine is given to a patient. A vaccine is given to a healthy individual. So you realize the safety margin for a vaccine has to be very high, and that is why the developmental cycle of a vaccine is very rigorous. So just going into the details of the developmental cycle of a vaccine, it is a 6-stage process. The first stage is exploratory stage. पहला stage है exploratory stage. Second stage is preclinical stage. So तीसरा stage जो vaccine trial का है वो है clinical development stage. Now this is a very important stage which includes all the clinical trials. So this in itself is a 3 or 4 phase process. So सबसे पहली बात करें phase 1 trial की. Phase 1 trial concentrates on a low population, a small population with a low risk group. Phase 2, the target population increases from around 100 to 1000, and it focuses on 3 major objectives. One is the age of the administration of vaccine. Second is the number of the vaccine doses, and third is the sequence of the interval of doses. Now coming to phase 3 trial. Phase 3 is one of the most pivotal trials. Basically, it is essential for registration and approval to market of a vaccine. It focuses on a large population group. It is a large-scale vaccine trial with thousands of subjects. So basically, phase 3 trial is a population level effect. So once a vaccine passes all these 3 trials, only then it goes to the next stage, which is regulatory review and approval stage. After this stage comes the manufacturing stage. Manufacturing stage के बाद आता है last stage, that is 6th stage, quality control stage. So you realize once the vaccine passes all these 6 stages, only and only then it can be commercially available. एक वैक्सीन को हम तक पहुंचने के लिए ये 6 rigorous stages क्रॉस करने होते हैं, पास करने होते हैं, एंड सिर्फ तभी वो हम तक पहुंच सकता है. Now coming to COVID-19 vaccine in detail. So WHO की जो latest update आई है dated 20th of July 2020, I'll be talking according to that. I'll be just naming 4 relevant vaccine as per now. So पहला वैक्सीन जो बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्रेस कर रहा है, I'll talk about the vaccine from University of Oxford. तो रिसेंटली ये वैक्सीन काफ़ी ज़्यादा ट्रेंडिंग है न्यूज़ में, and there have been a lot of news articles also claiming that University of Oxford says कि ये अपना वैक्सीन अगले 2 मंथ में या अगले 3 मंथ में पब्लिक को अवेलेबल कर देंगे. Please, since now I have explained the developmental cycle of a vaccine in general, आप अपना मैथ एंड अपना कैलकुलेशन लगा सकते हैं इस चीज़ में कि एक वैक्सीन को हम तक पहुंचने में कितना टाइम लग सकता है. Now I'll just read out 2 statements जो यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ ऑक्सफोर्ड खुद ने उन्होंने अपने ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पे पब्लिश की है. So it says the phase 1 and 2 data for our coronavirus vaccine shows that the vaccine did not lead to any unexpected reactions and had a similar safety profile to previous vaccines of this type. The immune responses observed following vaccination are in line with what previous animal studies have shown are associated with protection against the SARS-CoV-2 virus, although we must continue with our rigorous clinical trial program to confirm this in humans. The second statement reads as, these encouraging results supports further evaluation of this candidate vaccine in our ongoing large-scale phase 3 program that is still needed to assess the ability of vaccine to protect people from COVID-19. So just to summarize these 2 statements, basically University of Oxford की जो vaccine है, that is currently in its phase 3 trial. So what happens once we complete phase 1, phase 2 trial, we keep the subjects under observation for some stipulated amount of time. Once we confirm our observations, once we are sure that the immune responses are good, are strong, there are no adverse reactions, we publish the results of phase 1, phase 2 trial. So I guess on 20th of July only, the University of Oxford has published its result for phase 1, phase 2 trials, and it has shown a very good immune response, a very strong immune response, and the result is exactly in accordance with the preclinical studies. But also there is one very important point we need to keep in mind here. After all the exclusion and inclusion criteria, जितने भी subjects, जितने भी participants उनके पास बचे हैं, phase 1 और phase 2 trial का confirmatory result has been published only on the basis of 10 participants. Please understand, 10 participants. And that is why they themselves are saying कि how important is phase 3 trial for them. So according to University of Oxford, they are still going on with the recruitment procedure for the subject, as in selecting the participants for the clinical trial, and that is set to be done by 31st July 2020. So a trial may speed up, a trial may delay, but an estimate date which they have mentioned till now is 31st May 2021. Going to the next vaccine which I would like to mention is China's Sinovac vaccine, which is also in its phase 3. They have done with their phase 1, phase 2 trial, haven't published the result, which probably they'll be very soon publish, but phase 1, phase 2 are said to show very strong immune responses. So just to let you know, these are the only 2 vaccines right now according to the current update in its phase 3 trial. Though a vaccine from Moderna has also entered in phase 3 trial, but it hasn't started recruiting the subjects, as in hasn't started selecting the participants for phase 3 trial. Now, the 4th vaccine, I'll be specially talking for us Indians. So I have mentioned on my Facebook post that currently 2 Indian companies are into the development of COVID-19 vaccine. I'll be talking about one of them which has been progressing very nicely, that is Covaxin by Bharat Biotech. So they have got their approval for phase 1, phase 2 trials both. the vaccine have started their human clinical trials, and let's hope for the best, and let's hope that it does good in its phase 1 phase 2 trial and ultimately progress to its phase 3 trial. So this was all we need to know right now about COVID-19 vaccine. मैंने आपको वैक्सीन का डेवलपमेंट इन जनरल बता दिया है. आप अपना मैथ, अपना कैलकुलेशन खुद कर सकते हो कि एक वैक्सीन को बनने में कितना टाइम लगता है. सो प्लीज डोंट फॉल प्रे टू दीज न्यूज़ आर्टिकल, एंड इट हैज़ टू टेक टाइम. एक वैक्सीन हम हेल्दी इंडिविजुअल को मिलने वाले हैं. व्हाई डू यू वांट टू टेक अ रिस्क टू hasten the process? Actually nobody would. So yes, for next 6 months I don't think so any COVID-19 vaccine could be available to us. So the next important myth I want to address, which a lot of common people have in their mind, is that if I have suffered from COVID-19 and if I have recovered, I am not going to get infected by COVID-19 again, and therefore I am not going to spread the disease to anyone. So that is in technical terms known as immunity passport. They say that there is currently no evidence that people who have recovered from COVID-19 and have antibodies are protected from a second infection. So please इस चीज़ को अपने दिमाग से निकाल दीजिए कि अगर आपको कोविड-19 हो गया है एंड आप ठीक हो गए हैं, आपको दोबारा नहीं हो सकता है. यू स्टिल हैव टू फॉलो द सेम प्रिकॉशंस जो आप पहले फॉलो कर रहे थे या जो फॉलो करने चाहिए इन जनरल, बिकॉज WHO हैज़ क्लियरली डिनाइड फॉर एनीथिंग लाइक इम्यूनिटी पासपोर्ट राइट नाउ. ओके, सो द थर्ड थिंग आई लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट इज अबाउट द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ कोविड-19. So currently there is no such thing discovered till now which is in particular a COVID-19 treatment. We still treat COVID-19 as a symptomatic treatment. Basically इसका मतलब ये, जैसे जैसे आपके सिम्टम्स आएंगे हम वैसे वैसे इनको ट्रीट करेंगे. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल कोविड-19 के 3 प्राइमरी सिम्टम्स, फीवर, कफ, सोर थ्रोट, जिनका फर्स्ट लाइन ट्रीटमेंट है पैरासीटामोल एंड एजिथ्रोमाइसिन टैबलेट्स. सो स्टिल फॉर कोविड-19 दे आर द फर्स्ट लाइन ट्रीटमेंट्स एंड इक्वली लाइक हाउ योर सिम्टम्स विल कम एंड दैट इज हाउ यू विल बी ट्रीटेड. So then what is dexamethasone? So mentioning the latest report of WHO in relation to same, WHO states that for patients on ventilators, the treatment was shown to reduce mortality by about 1/3, and for patients requiring only oxygen, mortality was cut by about 1/5, according to the preliminary findings shared with WHO. So yes, dexamethasone can be life-saving drug, but no, it cannot be given to a regular COVID-19 patients with good prognosis, because please understand, dexamethasone is a corticosteroid. Corticosteroids are immunosuppressive drug. Immunosuppressive drug कहने का मतलब ये वो ड्रग होती है जो एक तरह से आपके इम्यून सिस्टम को वीक करते हैं. सो इन दिस प्रोसेस ये सबको पता है, एंड आई थिंक एवरीबॉडी वुड एग्री कि नोबडी वुड वांट टू वीकन देयर इम्यून सिस्टम. हमें अभी हम सबको अपने इम्यून सिस्टम को मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर बनाना है. So yes, that's all right now I think about the facts of COVID-19. So please, it's a request, if there are any news you're hearing about COVID-19 about which you're not sure, either go into its depth or talk to anyone you feel who can give you a correct information, or you can of course reach out to me and I'll be really glad to address your queries to get you the correct information, the correct facts. So everything what you're doing, or if you're not, then start doing these things, are all what we are supposed to do right now. So please, please, please don't spread and don't believe on anything which increases false hopes, increases panic, increases rumors. This is a very important thing and we are all into this together. Let's together help each other. Be safe, take care of yourself and everyone around you. Thank you.